Good day, brothers and sisters in Christ. I am Mrs. Hali Andrada, chairperson of the Commission on the Laity in the Archdiocese of Capiz. I am a retired master teacher, a widow, and a mother to a 25-year-old daughter. After retiring from 4 decades in education, I looked forward to a quiet, simple life of service, working behind the scenes in our church. But God had other plans. Through His grace and the trust of others, I found myself called to greater responsibility, and I humbly answered that call. I do not come from a place of titles or prestige, but I serve with sincerity, humility, and faith. There were times I questioned whether I was worthy of such responsibilities, but I take comfort in remembering that Jesus chose ordinary men, fishermen, to be His apostles. It is not about who we are in the world's eyes, but about our willingness to serve. Romans 12, verses 11 and 12 reminds us, never be lacking in zeal, but keep your spiritual fervor, serving the Lord. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. These words have guided me throughout my journey of faith. Though I once dreamed of entering religious life, I have found deep meaning in serving the church as a laywoman, living my vocation through active and faithful participation in the life of our parishes and archdiocese. My experience in church service spans decades. Since college, I've served in youth formation programs, including as Rectora of Born to Love. I am a committed Corsillesta and Roliesta. As a widow, I became part of the Couples for Christ Handmaids of the Lord, and I now serve as a speaker in our Christian life programs. I am also a minister of the Word, and since 2018, I've led as president of our parish lectors and commentators. Since 2020, I've served as vice president for worship in the Parish Pastoral Council of the Immaculate Conception Metropolitan Cathedral Parish, helping to strengthen our basic ecclesial communities. In 2021, a year after retirement, I was appointed co-team leader of the Archdiocesan Synodality team. Then in 2023, I was commissioned by Archbishop Victor Bendico to the Diocesan Pastoral Review team and appointed chairperson of the Commission on the Laity, the first lay person in our archdiocese to be given that honor. Under my leadership, the commission was reactivated and reconnected with the Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas. Recognizing the importance of communication, I initiated our digital platforms, including the Laiko Capiz Facebook page and dedicated group chats for the commission, the parish pastoral presidents, and lay organizations to support collaboration across the archdiocese. Our commission has been actively involved in synodal consultations, BEC affairs, and in crafting the diocesan synodal vision mission. As a teacher, I also contribute to writing brochures and primers because I believe an informed laity is an empowered laity. I share Pope Francis' vision of a synodal church, one that listens, walks together, and values the voices of the laity. I believe that as a lay people, especially as women, we are not just helpers. We are partners in mission, called to be co-responsible for the life of the church. I enjoin you, brothers and sisters, to continue serving with sincerity, zeal, and openness, building on what we've started and working to strengthen our shared mission. Let us walk together in faith and service, joyful, prayerful, and united for the greater glory of God. Madamo gid nga salamat. I am Mrs. Sally Andrada, humbly offering myself in service, faithfully and fully, for the people of God.